Your front door. It's the most vulnerable point in your home. But what if you could see everything, in crystal clear detail, without a monthly fee, and for less than $200? The big brands don't want you to know this, but the game has changed. Today, we're revealing the top 5 doorbell cameras that shatter all the rules. Number 3, it caught something on my porch last night that still gives me chills. Number 1. Eufy Video Doorbell S332K HD Security Camera. The Eufy S330 Video Doorbell comes with comprehensive coverage and smart detection features. Installation is a breeze. We simply attached the exterior case to the door frame, inserted the doorbell unit, and synced it to the Wi-Fi. With an impressive head-to-toe view, it easily captures everything from a visitor's face to packages on the porch, giving full coverage of the entryway. One of the highlights of the Eufy S330 is its dual-camera setup, which includes a second lens dedicated to monitoring packages. The app's motion notifications are precise and customizable, even distinguishing between humans and pets with alerts like human detected or pet detected. As a full-featured security tool, it allows live views of the door area at any time, while the Events tab conveniently compiles all motion-activated clips for easy review. Number 2. Ecobee Smart Video Doorbell Camera. The Ecobee Smart Video Doorbell is designed to elevate your home security with its advanced detection capabilities and wide-angle coverage. Featuring a wired-only installation, this doorbell seamlessly integrates into your existing setup while providing a head-to-toe view of your entryway. One of its standout features is its ability to distinguish between people, packages, and other objects, allowing you to receive tailored alerts about what's happening outside your door. However, to unlock these advanced detection features, an Ecobee security subscription is required. The standard plan is available for $5 per month, while the complete plan is priced at $10 per month. The free plan offers limited functionality, losing the 30-day video history and omitting package detection, push notifications, and 24/7 professional monitoring. Number 3. Google Nest Doorbell. The Google Nest Doorbell offers an unbeatable blend of intelligent features, user-friendly design, and reliable video performance, making it our top pick. It's easy to install with only 2 screws needed to secure the baseplate, no technical expertise required. After the baseplate is up, the doorbell clicks snugly into place, and setup via the Google Home app is a breeze, taking just about 20 minutes from start to finish. To use the Nest Doorbell, you'll need a Gmail account, which syncs seamlessly with the Google Home app for managing settings and viewing footage. Its video history stores the last 3 hours of events, and it also features a quick charging system. A provided tool lets you easily remove the doorbell, and pressing the button while it charges activates the voice assistant to give you a countdown on the charge time remaining. And for those who prefer a hardwired setup, it's compatible with existing doorbell wiring. Number 4. AOSU Doorbell Camera. Testing the AOSU wireless door camera was a pleasant surprise. It's a high-quality, feature-rich option from a lesser-known brand that performed impressively well. The standout feature is the 5MP UHD camera, which offers incredible video clarity. It's the best video quality we've seen on any doorbell camera. With a 166-degree field of view, we could see visitors head to toe and check for packages on the ground without any blind spots. Installation took just 20 minutes, and we had the option to go wireless or wired, which we found convenient. The app worked seamlessly, offering instant connection and perfect notification balance, no spam alerts, just the updates we needed. AOSU's doorbell also works with both Alexa and Google Assistant, making it easy to integrate into any smart home setup. Number 5. Eufy Security Video Doorbell S220. At Eufy, we believe all great smart home products need to be thoughtfully built from the start. From whole home security to smart cleaning solutions, Eufy's technology brings you expert protection and deep cleaning that's tailored to your lifestyle and creates human-first technology that enlivens the lives of everyone around you. Because care is what makes a house a home, everything we build is built with care for you. So there you have it. 5 incredible ways to secure your home without emptying your wallet. My personal pick for sheer value is number 2, but each one has a killer feature that might be perfect for you. All product links for your buy are in the video description. I've done the research, you just have to click. If this roundup saved you time and money, please show this video some love with a like and a share. It helps more people protect their homes. And subscribe, because next week, we're exposing the smart locks that security companies are terrified you'll find out about. Stay safe.